there, home cooks! Welcome to Food Flavor. Today, I'm diving into the world of batch cooking and how it can help you save a ton of money. Ready? Let's go! First things first, what is batch cooking? It's all about making large quantities of meals at once and storing them for later. It's perfect for busy weeks when you don't have time to cook every day. Now, let's talk about what foods are best for batch cooking. Think soups, stews, and casseroles. These meals freeze well and taste even better when reheated. Some of my favorites? Beef stew, chicken curry, and veggie lasagna. Another great option is grains like rice or quinoa. Cook a big pot and you can use it in different dishes throughout the week. Same goes for beans and lentils. They're cheap, nutritious, and versatile. But how does this save you money? Buying ingredients in bulk is cheaper than purchasing small amounts. Plus, you can take advantage of sales and seasonal produce. And let's be honest, having home-cooked meals ready to go means you're less likely to splurge on takeout. Here's a quick tip. Label your containers with the date and the meal. That way, you'll know what's in the freezer and how long it's been there. Trust me, it saves a lot of confusion later. So there you have it, folks. Batch cooking is a game changer for saving time and money. Give it a try and let me know your favorite meals to batch cook in the comments below. Happy cooking!